Okay, my friends from around the world, Coach released a new color in the Maggie Tote. Or did they? So, my friends, let's just jump into it. So, I was on the Coach website just checking on a order that I have been waiting for and noticed that the products under the Maggie, the large Maggie, had an additional color that wasn't there before, and it was a blue. However, when I click on the blue, and you can probably go to the website and see it now, try to put an image up here, it says sold out, which confused me because I did not see the blue come out. I have been watching tons of videos, and we have seen so many on the Peanuts collection and all the other sales that were going on for Coach, but I seen nothing about the deep blue in the Coach Maggie. So when I called, they did inform me that yes, it's coming out. It will be dropped on the 30th. And that was actually an error. It should not have been uploaded on the website. So to rectify it, they did just mark it as sold out. So it's not truly sold out. It's just how they rectified it. I thought it was beautiful. This is a picture of what it looks like. Then I wanted to just go through and look at some of the other items that Coach has in stock that also a list that they are in these deep blue colorways. So here's a couple of things. First is this chain tabby. This chain tabby is listed as deep blue, but I believe the what's really deep blue is you can kind of see the strap a little bit here. That's the deep blue part of this chain tabby, and it's $495. So it gives you an idea of what that color would look like. Here's another item. This is the Highline sneaker. It's in the signature print, the denim signature print, and it is also listed as deep blue. It goes for $125. They have all sizes available, starting at size 5 through size 10. I'm sorry, not all sizes because they don't have any size 11. And this is women's size. As far as men, there is the Highline High Top, and their sizes are limited. It goes for $119, and they have available as of 7/24. So I don't know if you go to the website after that date, it may or may not be available. They have a 7.5, an 8, a 9, and a 10. Those sizes seem very small for a man. So I guess your growing teen or even some women that can wear both men and women sizes, you may be able to grab that up. It's in the full deep blue. So if you are getting that Maggie in the deep blue, that would be such a great match to have that Highline sneaker as well. The other that I saw that was really, really adorable, and I don't even know if I should call it adorable because it's in the men's section, but it was still adorable. It's the 3-in-1 wallet with the whip stitch. This goes for $79. It is on clearance, it's on sale. This wallet has 8 credit card slots. There's a bill compartment in there, and if you look at the Coach video, it's separated. Once you open the wallet, you can put bills on both sides. There is also a removable insert that has an ID window and also some additional credit card slots. So that's a really nice wallet that can go along with that deep blue Maggie tote if you decide to get that. Keep your eyes open if that is something that you want. My SA is going to save one for me, and I'll be picking that one up on the 30th. And what about you? Are you interested? All right. Thank you all. Thank you, my subscribers, for joining. Those that are new, I hope you learned something new here and you join us again. Subscribe. Would you comment? Would you like this video? We appreciate you all. This is Mrs. DLC, and I'm signing off. Like on this video, comment on this video. Subscribe to my Nana's channel. Don't forget.